There are telescopes searching the skies for signals, for hints, for a sign of civilizations, or even the signals from starships moving through the sky.
In the boundless expanse of the cosmos, a cosmic event of profound magnitude has unfurled, resonating through the very threads of our existence. A seismic disturbance echoes across the cosmic tapestry, a signal, a formidable surge of energy, emanating from a distant galaxy situated 10 million light-years away. But this is no ordinary signal. It is a laser transmission, a cryptic beam of light carrying a message that thrusts humanity to the precipice of anticipation. As the enigmatic glow of the laser transmission permeates the cosmic void, it leaves our collective consciousness teetering on the edge, craving answers to the pivotal questions that emerge. Who is the sender of this cosmic missive, and what impels them to communicate across the vast cosmic distances? Is it an extraterrestrial intelligence reaching out? A clandestine experiment by a covert government agency? Or does it hint at a mystery even more elusive? Embark with us on a cosmic odyssey as we venture into the uncharted realms of the universe, driven by an insatiable curiosity to unravel the enigmas concealed within the celestial expanse. From as far back as 1937, when an American astronomy enthusiast named Grot Reber built the first functioning radio telescope, humanity has fervently dedicated itself to listening to the universe, hoping to catch a signal that could confirm our cosmic connection. Equipped with his homemade telescope, Reber not only mapped out the radio intricacies of the Milky Way, but also discovered radiating regions beyond the boundaries of our galaxy. His pioneering observations laid the foundation for physicists to decipher the secrets of non-thermal radiation and interstellar signals. Radio signals, like bursts of light, travel through the universe at a staggering speed of 186,187 m/s. SETI, the celestial listener in search of extraterrestrial intelligence, acts as humanity's detective, scanning the vastness of space to pick up radio signals, cosmic postcards from an advanced civilization similar to our own. Intriguingly, our antennas have intercepted some enigmatic radio whispers. In the distant year of 1977, something truly astonishing happened in the cosmic ether. The United Nations sent us a mysterious radio signal that left scientists perplexed. This signal, known by the famous name WOW, made its grand appearance on August 15, 1977. Coming from the depths of outer space, our cosmic messenger was intercepted by the Big Ear Radio Telescope at the Ohio State University's Perkins Observatory. Dr. Jerry R. Aon, the stellar detective of the SETI team, stumbled upon this celestial enigma while analyzing data from the Big Ear telescope. What he discovered was not just a blip on the cosmic radar. It was a radio signal that didn't just say hello, it shouted it loud and clear for exactly 72 seconds. In that moment, the signal earned its iconic nickname, the WOW signal. The frequency at which this celestial postcard arrived was 1,142.5 megahertz, carefully situated in the hydrogen line, a frequency considered by many brilliant minds as a potential hotline for extraterrestrial civilizations. Dr. Aon exclaimed "Wow," because in the language of the universe, this signal was like a celestial greeting from Earth, transmitted at a frequency tailor-made for eternal chatter in space. In 2017, Professor Antonio Paris of St. Petersburg College surprised everyone by proposing that the mysterious signal was not an intricate intergalactic code, but rather the result of a dynamic duo of comets, 266P Christensen and 335P Gibbs. These comets, enveloped in extensive clouds of hydrogen gas, seem to be the culprits behind the radio enigma. However, not everyone is convinced by this comet explanation. Astronomers, including Eamon, raise an eyebrow and emphasize a crucial detail. The signal was a one-time spectacle, a blink-and-you'll-miss-it moment. So, the mystery persists, and celestial radio waves guard their secrets in the recesses of the universe. The Big Ear telescope was equipped with two remarkable feed horns. Essentially, they allowed the telescope to scan different portions of space. If it had been a comet, this individual called Eamon would have seen it twice, like a fleeting dream lasting 72 seconds each time, in just a minute and a half. But no, it didn't happen, and Eamon is not inclined to endorse the alien hypothesis. The wow signal is like the rock star of signals, the loudest greeting from space, but we still don't know who or what transmitted it. It is an enigma straight from the heart of our Milky Way, where this signal is baffling astronomers' minds. In 2020, a research team analyzing data from the ASCAP radio telescope in Australia detected a mysterious signal among 2 million objects speaking in space. These scientists acted as cosmic cupids, trying to identify who's who among the cosmic chatterers. The computer excelled in its role as a celestial detective, labeling most of the objects as common stars and showcasing its cosmic expertise by identifying the distinctive features of a rapidly spinning dead star, also known as a pulsar. However, in the pulsating heart of the Milky Way, an intriguing enigma hides, leaving both scholars and the supercomputer metaphorically scratching their heads. This captivating celestial secret, strategically positioned at the center of our galaxy, emitted powerful radio waves in 2020, gifting the cosmos 6 distinct signals in just 9 months. These evocative radio waves exhibited an irregular rhythmic pattern, unlike any celestial choreography previously observed by experts. Adding another layer of celestial mystery, this hidden entity eluded the usual global range. No traces of X-rays, no visible light, not even a hint in the infrared spectrum, as if playing hide-and-seek with the laws of physics. The radio signal dissolved suddenly, leaving scientists listening with 2 different radio telescopes puzzled. The cosmic plot thickens. A year later, just when celestial detectives thought they had lost the signal forever, it made a spectacular reappearance. However, in a cosmic blink of an eye, it vanished again, forcing scholars to ponder the mystery of vanishing celestial whispers. This unusual space matter doesn't behave like a common dead star, standing out from the other 2 million objects examined by the research team. Scientists believe they have made a rare discovery, the cosmic equivalent of a hidden treasure. They call it a galactic center radio transient, abbreviated as GCRT. Only 3 other entities belong to this exclusive club, and their identification took a decade. Even the cleverest scientists are not entirely certain of the nature of these entities. GCRTs could be dancing cosmic neutron stars, pulsars collaborating so that one star's radio signal covers the others, or they could be dying pulsars that, in their last breath, emit radio waves in a chaotic rhythm. In both cases, it seems that the universe is playing hide-and-seek with us, revealing these strange signals and then suddenly disappearing. Finding a cosmic enigma and having to wait an entire year to see it reappear, only to vanish again within a day. Down under, in South Africa, a brand new telescope called the Square Kilometer Array is taking shape, ready to amaze us with its capabilities in 2028. We may not have heard any alien greetings yet, but that doesn't mean the face of the cosmic space is silent. In fact, at this very moment, they could be listening to a cosmic voicemail from an intelligent extraterrestrial. An enigmatic object has been silently whispering radio words to Earth since 1988. Surprisingly, only recently has an interstellar discovery been made regarding these past 3.5 decades. This distant object, located 15,000 light-years away, has been sending bursts of energy in our direction with clockwork precision every 20 minutes. We welcome these cosmic greetings that illuminate the sky, sometimes persisting for solid 5 minutes. Initially, scientists had their sights set on magnetars, those majestic celestial forces with magical magnetism. These celestial behemoths boast magnetic fields so powerful that the Earth's magnetic field seems like a tiny dot. A magnetar is halfway to the moon, with a magnetic attraction so robust that it could strip data from your credit card. These magnetic powerhouses have a dramatic side. The crust of a magnetar cracks, creating cosmic earthquakes or stellar jolts. These jolts release an immense amount of energy, generating X-ray and gamma-ray bursts. We're talking about high-energy fireworks visible from Earth, which makes us wonder if it's a cosmic signal from aliens trying to send us a message. This confusion has happened before, when astrophysicists stumbled upon the first pulsar, even nicknaming it LGM-1 or Little Green Men 1. Scientists believe the prime suspect here is pulsars, neutron stars that twinkle and rotate like lighthouses, shooting out beams of energy as they face and turn away from Earth. The trick is that pulsars tend to slow down over time, and their signals fade into silence. The twist in the story is that the mysterious object in question behaves like a pulsar, but does so at a slower speed, spinning 1,000 times slower. This trick rules out the pulsar theory, leaving scientists scratching their heads. There is another intriguing hypothesis to consider. Could this enigma be attributed to a long-period magnetar? These celestial objects are essentially the VIPs of neutron stars, equipped with incredibly powerful magnetic fields capable of generating bursts of energy. However, there's a problem. All known magnetars usually release their energy every few seconds or minutes, not in intervals as long as the observed 22 minutes in this specific case. And what if, in the vastness of space, a distant civilization decides to send us a radio signal? It's not just a fanciful idea of extraterrestrials transmitting messages into the universe. The matter is more complex than it seems, as there are cosmic considerations to take into account, such as specific frequency ranges, often referred to as waterhole frequencies, ranging from 1,420 to 1,662 megahertz. It's uncertain whether other civilizations would opt for these particular frequencies for their celestial communications. The power of the signal is crucial for it to traverse the vastness of interstellar space and be detectable by us. Such a signal must be extremely robust or directed straight towards our solar system. While the idea of receiving radio signals from extraterrestrial entities is fascinating, cosmic radio waves might be playing hide and seek, and we would need proper tools and a bit of luck to intercept them. Sending messages into space is not like shouting in a room. It's more like whispering in a vast and silent forest. The farther the message travels, the weaker it becomes and quickly fades away. If a smartphone were left on the moon, it would become one of the noisiest radios in the cosmic neighborhood. However, it's not just about volume. Timing is crucial. Space follows its own clock, marked on timelines that span epochs. If an advanced civilization wants to communicate with us, they must press the celestial send button when they are ready to receive our signal. Transmitting too early or too late in our technological evolution could mean missing the call. Radio signals launched into space are like whispers lost in the infinite. Looking at the cosmic map, it becomes apparent that our radio messages have only traveled a short distance into the unknown. Those radio signals might eventually reach some potential extraterrestrial civilizations, but it all depends on cosmic cards. Space and timescales present us with a cosmic challenge, thanks to the known speed of light. When we gaze at the stars in the night sky, we're practically observing the past. For example, Sirius is about 8.6 light-years away, and when we fix our eyes on Dubhe, the main star in the Big Dipper's bowl, we time travel. The light reaching our eyes is older than our favorite ancient meme. If there were a group of relaxed aliens 65 million light-years away, watching Earth as if it were their cosmic Netflix, they would see the Earth during the dinosaur era. The small dot in the night sky might seem insignificant, but it stretches for a whopping 200 light-years. That starlight predates even our own existence. If there were an alien society 65 million light-years away, and they decided to tune in, they would see Earth during the dinosaur era. Communicating with aliens is not just about shouting into the universe. If we are sending radio signals, a distant civilization may not hear them at all. Even if they did, we could be ancient history by the time they decide to respond, unless they are interstellar masters using wormholes. Who knows how aliens like to communicate? They might have technologies and methods that would leave us in awe. They might even have good reasons to remain silent. Projects like Breakthrough Listen are exploring the skies like cosmic detectives, trying to capture any possible extraterrestrial transmissions. Some of our radio signals of the "hey, we're here" type may have already reached distant stars. Astronomers suggest that neighboring extraterrestrials could receive our direct messages as early as 2029. When attempting to communicate with galactic friends, sending radio signals might not be the smartest strategy for an advanced civilization. It's like shouting into the void without knowing who is listening. Extraterrestrial beings might choose this strategy only if they are in dire straits or want to give us a warning. Intelligent beings on a cosmic hunt might not want to reveal their location to the entire universe. It's like playing hide and seek on a cosmic scale. While we remain in ignorance regarding actual extraterrestrial civilizations, scientists are proposing intriguing ideas on how they might send us a cosmic message. Imagine lasers or extremely bright lights sending messages into space. It's like sending interstellar Morse code. Scientists are exploring these conversations at the speed of light as possible methods in the cosmic communication toolbox.